As a quick announcement, the Sweet Softies merch shop is now open. There are gifts for crocheters, crafters, yarn addicts, mamas, and more. It's all designed by yours truly. Here's a sneak peek at some of the apparel in my shop. I have hoodies, tees, and more designs and pieces coming. I also have different items for crocheters like water bottles, caps, zipper tote bags, and canvas pouches. The link to my shop is in the description box below. Thank you! Hi friends! Welcome to my pattern preview video. This is my Sweet Bunny pattern. As you can see, it features a realistic looking rabbit, and it has a very low sew design. You really only need to sew on the 2 ears, the little fluffy tail in the back, and 2 hind legs. And the sewing parts are quite simple. The bunny does feature a sweet little bow around its neck. And as you can see, I do have different colors and markings, and the ears are dual colored too. It's a very light pink. Not sure if you can see that well. But this includes color change markings for a little Dutch rabbit, and you can also change it up and make them different colors. You can go ahead and do them all with one color, or you can have only the colors and markings for the nose. You can also sew the ears downwards for more of a Holland Lop look. So there is some awesome customization that can happen with this pattern. As you can see, there's some cute shaping that's done, so it has a plush little bunny butt. I just love how the little paws stick out here. And I crocheted this bunny using the, this is 100% polyester yarn. This is Hobby's Honey Bunny yarn, which I'll link in the description box below. The results make a very, very plush little critter. So definitely recommend a velvety or plush yarn for this, but you can use other fibers as well. You can use acrylic or cotton for some really nice stitch definition. And you can also use fluffy yarn, or you can brush and fuzz up your yarn if you have acrylics or wools to make your bunny very furry and fluffy. And this bunny doesn't actually take very long. It's worked up rather quickly because this super bulky weight yarn works up so fast, and I used a large 5mm hook with it. Do know that if you use thinner yarn and a smaller hook, you will come out with a smaller rabbit. And just as a little sneak peek here, I'm going to show you my original design. This is the first prototype I made for this design, and it's actually slightly larger, and I changed up the tail slightly as well. You can see that it's not as protruded. But this this little guy was made like, I think 9 months ago. It took me forever to write this pattern. It was hard for me to describe how to do certain parts of it in a really clear and understandable way. So it took me a while, and it was put on the back burner for a bit. But I'm really excited that I got it all done now with lots and lots of picture references and step-by-step instructions. So definitely check out the written pattern. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this product preview video, and go ahead and check the links in the description box below for the pattern info page, and of course for this beautiful fluffy yarn. All right, thanks for watching, friends. Bye now.